So we just made it to EMP.
And I heard that she wanna show.
This is the event with 956 Takeovers and myself, Zavalas Productions. And can't really see, but we have exotic racing here. It's $5 per person, $20 tech card. We'll see what we actually get into. We are on a closed course. I gotta say that for YouTube, because if I don't, they're gonna take down my video like the last 2 videos. And we still got a packed line. It started at 8, currently like 8:44. Got a few people still pulling up. First burnout of the night, and you have Essay going crazy. Now we have Ghost. God damn. God damn. God damn. It's about to be 9 and we still have a whole ass line all the way backed up. me, bro. Always know how to get down. You already know how to get down.
You already know I don't fuck around. I don't fucking around.
Worried the workers. You're worried them.
That's good, bro.
You gotta tell him. You gotta tell him. Got your dusty screen, bro. The burnout pit has been badass, but I want to go see what's up with the racing. But I'm gonna move to the racetrack right now. It's so cold, it's so cold. The racetrack has been fun, and we'll see what's up. I would say this was a solid, as a solid event. You know, there are a lot of people here. I'm sorry as I was walking to the track. Alright, now we're at the racetrack part of the property. And there's a couple people out here racing. There's not that many. I think there's more people here burning out, but who knows? I just walked to this side. So we got a single cab truck and a Chrysler 300. Another single cab. I don't know what mods, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna run. We got this Tesla right here as well. Yeah, there's a lot of people lining up. That thing takes it. I think right lane takes it. Yeah, left lane took. I think skip the whole gear. Hey, fuck that shit, nigga. All the smoke. Hey, all the smoke. Good job, nigga. Look at it having no space, fool.
Hey, cut the sound, nigga. Ooh, stop playing with your bitch.
Oh shit, what the? Catching up to your bitch ass.
Even this criminal.
I know, eh.
Off 956 take.
You got two of my YouTube videos taken down.
Oh shit, that's not my fault. Sir, that's not my fault. Sir, it was a good ass video though.
Good ass video.
Hey, sir, how do you feel about being diddled in jail?
Huh?
How do you feel about being diddled in jail?
Fuck you mean? Nobody diddled me.
I don't know who else has a YouTube. ¿Qué trae YouTube, güey?
Follow Zavalas Production over here.
Tú eres el que estamos en Facebook, güey.
Yeah, you're on Facebook.
Shit up.